Hi guys, Sam Galloway here, and I'd like to introduce you to my newest listing at 11 HERON Trail in Whitchurch-Stouffville. This house boasts a 3-car built-in garage and sits on almost 3 acres of land with almost 9,000 square feet of total livable space. The finishes in here are absolutely to die for, and I swear guys, you'll never see so much custom millwork in your life. Go on in and enjoy the tour, and I'll meet you poolside. Hope you guys like the tour. I personally love the pool. Feel free to give me a call anytime if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a private tour.